Hey, how you going? Casey here from ZED Supplies, and I'm here to show you how you can utilise your already existing high quality power tool batteries such as Makita, Milwaukee or Dewalt on your portable fridge for either work or camping. Now if you have a look over here, we've developed a new product called the ZED Middleman. It's neither the fridge or the batteries, it's the bloke in the middle. Now all you have to do is connect it to your fridge. Now we have hardware supplied that will hang it to either your handle. It comes with a strap. You slide your power tool batteries in. Now it also has an input side. Now the input side is quite cool. Plug it in and plug that into your cigarette socket in either your car, truck, boat, buggy, anything that you can think of. Now if you have a look, when it's in the off position, your power tool batteries are powering your fridge. The moment you turn your car on, ignition isolated, you turn your car on, it will disconnect the power tool batteries, bypass and power your fridge. Now it comes with an adapter. If you don't have an Anderson plug on your fridge, say you're a rep, you're driving up and down the coast, you plug your fridge into the cigarette socket. If you're an electrician, your boss is a little bit too tight to pay for a dual battery setup, or a carpenter going from job site to job site, constantly turning your car on and off, this is the tool for you.